fighter, and all their eyes are blue. For the first time in my whole life, I got something to lose. I was on the road to nowhere, as fast as I could go. Didn't know I had a name, come and save my soul. And now I'm living in the moment, not stuck on yesterday. And I'm praying for tomorrow. Oh, how things have changed from who I was to who I am. I think